Slopeless Work is a website that allows you to make sure your code is secure before you actually deploy it to production for others to use. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and this is actually a project by someone I'm doing some work with at the moment in a fellowship called Shan. Shout out to him. And I just saw he had this up, and I thought this is probably going to be pretty cool, because I think a lot of people are vibe coding now, but not many people are really aware of the potential security issues. Like people like myself who were coding before ChatGPT do understand, the security issues that can come with writing code. So we know how to actually take the right precautions. But I think a lot of people vibe coding don't necessarily know that. So this could certainly be a great way for them to just make sure they're not actually shipping any sort of dangerous or vulnerable code out to the world. So I've just uploaded Code Mapper, which for anyone who doesn't know, Code Mapper is it's essentially a website that allows you to generate code progressions using emotions instead of theory. Now, this is just a personal passion project I've been working on. Those of you who've been following me for a number of years know I used to have a modestly successful music career. Then I transitioned to tech after the epiphany that tech is simply creativity in disguise. But this is something I've been working on with a small team. So I'm just going to upload that repo into here, which I already have. And then I'm just going to wait and see exactly what we get from Slopeless Work. So I'll just be back once this is done. Okay, great. So now the scan is complete, and as you can see, there are 47 issues found. Okay, this is very interesting. So we can see here there's a waitlist success modal, which is rendering the referral URL directly into input value without sanitization. Okay, that's an interesting one. We've also got a few other things as well. So the waitlist data queue position is, let's just take a look at this in more detail. Cool. So we're using more conversational and exciting tone. Inline is clearer than on the waiting list. Oh, okay. So this is just something kind of cosmetic, but it's just about the language I'm using. Okay, cool. And we've got to keep the success message visible longer. Okay, cool. Until user interaction. Amazing stuff. This is very thorough, I have to say. And this can be an amazing way to just sanitize to a very high degree the sort of user experience that the people on your app are having, and make sure it's of the highest standards. So marketing description as well enables extra features and helps us measure referral programs and email campaigns. So currently the marketing description is used for additional features or future promotional campaigns, such as measuring the effectiveness or referral of email programs, whereas it's suggesting a different marketing description, right, saying it's more concise, and future promotional campaigns is vague. Amazing stuff. So this is detected by the polish agent. Amazing. Wow, this is really cool. So essentially there's been a bunch of agents that have actually been spun up and have actually gone through the code and seen where are the vulnerabilities. We can also look into the architecture directly, which is pretty cool. Now, this app itself doesn't actually have any AI built into it. It's just sort of a representation of how I see music. Given that I've been doing music since I was about 6 years old. I was trained on how to play the cello from when I was 8 years old, and I did that for the 8 years. So this app is just a way for people to essentially be able to visualize that in the same way I can. So you just decide what emotion you're feeling, and then you essentially just select how you want to feel, and then you can just see the guitar chords, and you even play it out loud. You can also see the piano chords. But I've been working on this personal project for quite a while now with a small team, and it's great to see that before I actually ship, I can just get through all of these to make sure everything is essentially as streamlined and as sleek as possible.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, definitely check out Slopeless Work. It took a little while. I think it took about perhaps 5 to 10 minutes to fix. It didn't take I'm not sure if this is meant to be a representation of the hours, but it certainly didn't take 17 hours. It was much quicker than that. In any case, yeah, this is an amazing tool created by Jan, and I think anyone who's developing code, especially if you're a vibe coder, should definitely check it out. So as you can see, we've also got the errors grouped by severity. So I've got no critical errors, a few high ones, some medium ones, and a couple low ones as well. So yeah, definitely check out Slopeless work if you think it would be useful for you. And if you're working on something at the moment, you want me to check it out, feel free to send it over. Alternatively, if there's an AI tool that you want to see a demo of, feel free to send that over as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.